Hello and welcome. My name is Andrius. I'm the head of LABA7 and also the head of LABA7 R&D department. Today we will be talking about the LABA7 EMA, which is a new product, which is an electromagnetic linear testing machine to test shock absorbers. We will be talking about why it's different, what sets it apart from the equipment that we are making now and from anyone else or anything else in the market, because it's all engineered and developed in-house. It means that all the data logger, control unit for the motor, the power unit, the power supply unit, everything was developed here by our engineers. Plus the mechanics are also done in the way so we can minimize the moving mass and have the best performance pass possible of this machine. So that's it. That's all I had to say today. Thank you for watching, and you will find all the rest of the information on Instagram, Facebook, or on our page laba7.com.